Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Lego Curse Satan like I promised in my last video. Without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. So, here are all the parts for Lego Curse Satan. First, let's start off with the chip. So, here are all the parts for the chip. First, we'll begin by getting the 2x4. Then we will get two 1x2s and place them like this. Then we get the gray 1x1s and place them like this. We get the green and place it in the gaps. And then we get the 2x2 brick and put it in the middle. We're done with our chip. Let's move on with the layer. So, these are all the pieces for the layer. First, we'll start off by getting this piece. Then, we'll get these angular plates. 2 of them, like these. And then, we place the other angular plates to make a full angular plate square, as you can see here. Then, we'll start off by placing the rollers, these pieces, on either side, like these. Then, you put the pin, these pins, with the stud holes, on the side where you place the angular plates, like so. Then you put these circle type of tiles onto the studs. Then you get these black 1x2s, place them over here. And you get some more black 1x2s and place them on top. Like this. Now we get these green cheese slopes and place them on either side like these. Then we get the black ones and place it on the top. Then we get the 1x4s and place it on the remaining angular plates. Then we get the gray ones and place it like so. Next we place the dark green. Then we place something. It should look like this, your blades. Then you put the black 1x1s in the gap right over here. Yeah, right there. And then do the same on the other side. Like so. Then we put these circle types of things on over here, like there. And then we place a second one over here too. We're done with the blades. Now we'll start putting the 1x2s on this white area, like so. Then we put the red ones in a diagonal type of line. Then we put the gray ones And we're done with the top part. Now let's flip it over and put the 1x4 gray ones over here. And do the same with the other side. Then get these red tiles and place it like so. Now we are done with the layer. Let's move on to the chassis. So these are all the pieces for the chassis. Before we start, I could tell you that you don't need these hexagon pieces. You could use a 6x6 circle. I don't have a 6x6 circle right now, so I'm using these hexagon pieces. But if you don't have these hexagon pieces, you could use a 6x6 circle. So we start off by putting a 2x2 in the middle of your 6x6 circle or these hexagons. And then you fill all the stud places with tiles, so there are no stud places for like anything else, like so. Then you flip your chassis over and put 1x2s on the borders, like this. We are done with the chassis. We'll move on to the frame. Here are all the pieces for the frame. First, we'll start off by getting these 1x4s, transparent blue pieces, and putting a tile in the middle. We do the same with the other 1x4. Then we get the 1x4 tiles and place it. Then we put the 1x2s, blue, not transparent, over here. Then we get your 1x4 with the tile on it and place it over here. We put the tile in the gap, and then we put the last piece right there. Now you're done with your frame. Let's move on to the driver. So these are all the pieces for the driver. First, you get your 4x4 circle, flip it over, and put 2x2 circles on the hole. As you can see, there's a straight hole. Now, you put your square with a pin on it, like this, into the hole. Like so. Then you put your driver type of piece and put it on. Now we're done with all the parts. Bring all of your parts and we'll start by putting the layer and the chassis together. You can see how there's a gap right here. And then you put your chassis into the middle, like so. Then you put your frame on your tip, and then you place it on. So the tile has to be facing your driver, the tiles, and then, it sticks on. Now we're done with your Curse Satan. So, there you have it, Lego Curse Satan. In my next video, I'm planning on making a channel bay. It's going to have a metal system from Lauren is a Person, and the metal system makes the bay pretty heavy. But if you like this video, please consider like the video and subscribe. Until next time, bye!